What's up, guys? Welcome back. Brawly mastered Ultra Instinct. Portrait of him, straightforward. I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. We're below halfway. Start about the middle, doesn't have to be anywhere at all. That'll fit in his head and his shoulders. Just below halfway because his hair is so big. We start with that W that Dragon Ball characters have. So we'll go frown W in the middle of their eyebrows, right? Just like that. The eyebrow comes out from there, so we just have this tick, goes up and kind of curves down the back. Most of his eyebrows are under hair, but we'll draw them in anyway. And then it goes straight here, and then back down, and you're getting thinner as you go down. Okay, that's the main thing to remember. And then curve up the other one. Right, and then square at the end, and then bring it down thinner and thinner down to the front. Okay, normally his eyebrows would be black in this form, but because we're Master Ultra Instinct, these will be silver. Okay, so typical Dragon Ball eyes then. So you just have a small line here, and then a long line here, and you just join them together with a curved line, right? Same thing over this side. Where? Here, we'll go here. Long line, short line, sorry. And then, is this eyebrow higher? Maybe it is, but that's okay. Okay, so we'll go short line, long line there. And then curved line going across. Okay. All right, and then sort of frown lines on top. And then he's looking at us from underneath the eyebrows. So you do a sort of a half circle here and a pupil, dark circle. Same thing on this side. Like that. Right, and then the eyebrow, so it's just like a sort of a hook sort of thing, right? So it comes sort of left of center, down, in, and up like that, right? And then you just draw in the shadow as well. It comes out like a sort of a diamond up to there. Because he's sort of frowning, you can add some wrinkle lines just like so, just above his nose. And then those check marks that we have underneath the eyes. And there's his mouth, so he's gritting his teeth, right? So his mouth is kind of open, and in Dragon Ball they put the mouth real close to the nose, so it's like right here. So it kind of looks like he's smiling, right? Or his mouth is closed. We'll open it up, right? We'll give him the teeth. So we go down the side, down the side here. And then we just join these together on the bottom. And then we just add two lines inside just to make it look like teeth. That's all you got to do for his mouth. And then there's just some stretch lines here, and then a shadow underneath his bottom lip. Chin, very square sort of chin here. Right? And then our jaw will go this way. We have a long face now. Longer than Goku and Vegeta's face, interestingly. Right, so we change direction about mouth level, so you turn. So you don't keep going that way. You want to like turn and go up beside the eyebrow. So his jaw will go up here. Okay. Same here. Change your direction. Okay. So then all we can see is kind of, oh yeah, his scar. Sorry, I forgot his scar just on his face here. Okay. Now, so then there might be some like wrinkle lines around his eyes actually. I just might darken up his eye lines. Okay, so his hair then, right? So we got this little V here, and then his hair spikes come out, and he has like, it seems like he has 4 sort of fringe lines, right, that come out. So one on this side, and coming over his eye here. Might be some hairlines just in there. That's 2, so then 2 more. So we'll go out and down here, and then another one there. Okay, and then we can sort of add his ears. Just sort of sticking out here. The same over here. See a bit more of this. And then lines on the inside of those ears, like so. Okay, so he seems to have hair spikes hanging down from the back of his neck. So his neck comes down from his ears. He's real wide neck. Okay, and then there's like a hair spike here. And then one on this side too. Okay, and then he's so all of his hair spikes kind of come out from behind his shoulders, more or less, right? But we'll start here, right? And we can do the ones from the shoulders later. So starting like this, right? And then the next one. There. And you're going up like a candle flame to a large spike at the top, right? That's the general thing with Dragon Ball hair. So we're gradually sort of getting bigger and going up to here. This is like the big one in the middle, like so. And I think he has a few more in here, but we'll just get the ones on the outside. And another one here. Yeah, there is another one, so here first. And then one in here. Like so. And then there's a few more out here. Okay, and the rest go down behind his muscles. We'll add texture lines, right, just on the hair while we're here. So you're just following each hair spike, just adding a few texture lines like so. Okay, and you can do as much of this as you want. I've seen drawings with loads of them. Some people put none. Crazy. But there we go. Right, so anatomy, right? So we can see the center line for his chest, just here, right? And then these real big chest muscles that come out from there. They go out and across, right? So he's crazy muscly. Okay. So real wide. And then your neck muscles go in towards the top of the chest. So it goes like into here. And you might see an Adam's apple or something there. And then another neck muscle here. And then, so, yes, there's more. So we'll finish his chest. So his chest like comes out, down, real square sort of chest. Up into the middle, right? And the other side's the same. Down. Around to there, right? Roughly same size. And then nipples like so. And if you want, you can add like striation muscle, so like this kind of thing, right? So shoulders come out from the chest muscles. They kind of join at the armpit. Okay, so we've got, say like his trapezius and shoulder, let's say. So we'll have like a bump here, right? And then his shoulder muscle will go like out and around, like really big, crazy big, right? Like that. And then his trapezius will go back up towards the top of his neck up here. Right, and same pretty much on this side. So you'll have like a bump for shoulder, and then a big curving shoulder muscle, right, kind of like that. And then his trapezius goes into his neck again somewhere here, so it goes like this way. Okay, and then you'll have sort of hatching on the trapezius, and then like maybe another sort of neck muscle or something there, and then some more biceps and triceps and things here. So the muscle for the shoulder goes in that way. You have another one coming down, like maybe another one there. Do the same on this side, so coming in from here, right? So like they kind of look like love hearts, kind of, the shoulders, right? He will love you with his shoulders. Okay, so they kind of got this bumpy thing going on, and then he will kill you with his shoulders. So that comes out, and then tricep comes out here as well. And you can see the bicep and underneath coming from the armpit. So your bicep, your chest, and your shoulder all joined together in the armpit, right? So it's just about the same on this side. It doesn't have to be the exact same all the time, but just there somewhere. Okay, and then what we can see for abs, like so, just big sort of ab muscles and stuff, just there. Right, and then the rest of his hair comes sort of just down. Goes kind of just down behind his head, kind of thing. Yeah, so that's a small, and then just goes down there, and there'll be texture on it and stuff like that. And then his scar on the chest, so it's like kind of like Luffy from One Piece, just an X marks the spot. And then we've another part of it over here. Right, and he's mastered Ultra Instinct in this, so I'm going to give him a bit of an aura. Kind of like narrower on this side of my page, and I think it's like circular. Sort of like an oozing sort of aura, I think, with the odd spike like this. Could be wrong, but that's what I think it is anyway. Right, and you're just going up and around. Just this wavy sort of pattern. And every now and then you could have escape energy. And if you want like scratches, you know, like he's been in a fight, always makes them look pretty sick. And sick as in cool, not sick as in a virus. That shall remain nameless. Right, hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.